Okay, so if you want to update the team member on your about page, then when you will log in your Squarespace, then you can see like that your website name benchmark. As I have a lot of website on my Squarespace account, that's why I can see a lot there. So you just need to click your website image here. So when you will click on it, then your editor will become up there. So here, from here, if you want to change the about page, then you just need to go to about us. From the left you can see the pages, design, commerce, marketing. So you just need to go to the pages, and then you need to go to about us. And when you will go to the about us, then you can see the listed here. Oh, this is the old website. We need to go to the new website that I have done for you. So this is the new website. I'm just going there, and whenever you will go there, your website made by Squarespace old version 7.0. So if you want to update the about us page, then just go to the pages, the same things. So when you will go to the pages, then you can see about us there. So yes, I have just updated your team member here. So if you want to add more team member, then that you need to do, you can see when I am scrolling here, then I can see edit, banner, settings. So you just need to click simply edit, and when you will click edit, then the editor mode will be there. So if you want to add a new team member there, then you just need to click. You can see here I have put a line there to separate each other the team members. So you just need to click. When you will hover over here, then you can see a plus and full line, a plus and full line. When you will click the plus, then you can see here line. So you just need to click line, and a line will be come up there. So if you want to add a new team member, then you just need to click plus, and then from here image. When you will click image, then it will tell you to add new team member image or any kind of image. So if you click upload file, then you can upload the picture from your computer, and if you will click select from library, then you can reuse the picture that I have already uploaded on your website. So if I want to use this one, then just select it and then add, and then it will be added there. So we don't need the caption, so I'm just turn off it, and then here is the new image uploaded. So now we need the description. Like I see, if this is the description, I'm just copying it from the upper one, and then I just need to click the plus, and then you can see here the text box. I just need to bring it up. You can see the blue line there. I don't need to place it there. I just need to scroll it. I just need to bring it more left. Then you can see beside the image we need the box. So now the blue line showing the target things where it gonna add. So I'm just drag and drop the text box here, and it's come up there. If you want to make bigger the picture, then you can make it bigger. So I just need the writing part for the new team member, then I can edit. Okay, it has been added. So now you just need to click save. When you will click save, then it will be done. So now if you will go to your main website, so I'm going to your domain now, copy and paste it, and then now if I click about us, you have made it also protected, that's why we can't see it. So if you have the password, then you can view it. So as it is your live website, I am just gonna removing the last one. I have just shown you how can you add more team member there. Okay, line also remove from here, and then click save, and it will be on your live website. So like that way you can update your more team member on your website. Thank you so much.